Hello guys, welcome back to our channel today. It's me, Joe. Today we're going to learn about color. I will start the lesson right now. Please pay attention to the lesson. Okay, the first color today is orange. Orange. Orange.
The wife takes the child. Hi-ho, the dairy-o, the wife takes the child takes the nurse, the child takes the nurse. Hi-ho, the dairy-o, the child.
With this color, I will make a shape of it.
The nurse takes the cow, the nurse takes the cow. Hi-ho, the dairy-o, the nurse takes the cow takes the dog, the cow takes the dog.
Hey guys, guess what we have here? Wow, a starfish in orange. An orange starfish. Orange starfish. Orange starfish. Okay, next one is pink. Pink. Pink.
The mouse takes the cheese. Hi-ho, the dairy-o, the mouse takes the cheese. The cheese stands alone. The cheese stands alone. Hi-ho, the dairy-o, the cheese stands alone. Hi-ho, the dairy-o, the cheese stands alone.
Wow, a pink starfish. Pink starfish. Pink starfish. Next one is yellow. 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 Yellow starfish. Yellow starfish. Yellow starfish. Come on, next color is blue. 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 A blue starfish. Blue starfish. Blue starfish. Now, come to the last one is purple. 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 A purple starfish. Purple starfish. Purple starfish. Very good job. Hey guys, do you find it interesting? If yes, don't forget to subscribe our channel for more. And now, goodbye and see you next time.